What is up, my makers? I don't know if I can say that. So today I want to talk about build plates. Is it worth it to go with a cool plate for your 3D printer? We're going to do some testing, run some identical prints, do some torture tests with that, and see which one can get further. Is it really worth it to upgrade to a cool plate, or should you stick with your stock PEI plate? Also, this is not a sponsored video. Nobody has paid me or sent me any free product for this. This is totally my opinion. Anything I say is just because that's really how I feel. For today's video, let's use the Bambu Labs P1S. I have the file loaded up. This was on Maker World, just to give it kind of a torture test. I've got it set to standard texture bed, and let's print. All right, let's check in. We've got the first print going on the standard PEI plate. Already can see we're not off to a great start with that purge line there, but they're holding, so we'll see how it ends up going. All right, let's check in on the print. So far, so good. PEI's holding pretty well. All right, another check in. Still holding really well. All right, layer 693, and we have a casualty. I think we can call that good on this one. I've installed the Biqu Frostbite cool plate. Didn't even wipe it down with rubbing alcohol or anything. Typically, I don't ever do that with these. So let's see how it does. All right, I'm going to set this one on cool plate. And we'll slice and send it again. All right, we got the cool plate going now with the test. Let's see how far it goes. Okay, we're now past layer 730 and still holding strong here. And here we go. Cool plate finished with no issues. Printed all of them, all 1400 layers or whatever it was. No problem at all. And they're even still stuck. I removed that stock PEI plate and they all just immediately fell off, but you can see here. Well, there you have it. Cool plate wins for me every time, at least for PETG or PLA. It's a no-brainer at 30 to 50 bucks, unless you have an Orange Storm Giga, and then it's like 250 bucks. But hopefully that will be worth the investment whenever it gets here. This makes life so much easier. Just do it. Don't overthink it if you don't have one already. I know some of you might be on the fence, onto whether it's really something that you need. To me, yes. Every time, yes. Anytime I can get one of these, yes. I'm going to throw it in the printer. Why not make life easier? So yeah, I hope that helps somebody who is on the fence. Thanks for watching. New video coming soon as my H2C gets here, whenever the hell that is. I don't know. UPS decided to take their sweet time. And Orange Storm Giga content coming up soon. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see what happens with that thing. It might become a coat rack.